guys, I've got sad news. Hot point the washing machine. It's dying. Okay, watch, guys. Watch how off balance the spider is. I think it's time to get a new washing machine. When it's ramped up, it's not too bad. Pretty strong for a brushless. Watch as the drum comes to a stop. Guys, the drum is very off balance. Get the condensed oil ready. I'm not gonna, if it's only the first spin. And you guys watch how off balance the spider is. You see how off balance the spider was and that spin down? Still a good machine though. Also, we'll clean the detergent drawer. That is just from the conditioner. That's not the liquid detergent mess. Don't worry about that. There it goes. Gets the iron inside the detergent drawer. Anyway guys, we're going to today's video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.